And hi everyone, good evening. Today, Iman with me. She's sit at her, what we call it, um, at her bed. Sorry, I forget. Okay, for today, I want to talk about how AI could save, not destroy, education. So, when people hear the word artificial intelligence, most of them get worried. They imagine headlines like AI will let students cheat, AI will replace teachers, AI will destroy education. But what if I told you a different story? What if instead of destroying education, AI could really actually save it? Shut up. The problem in education today. In 1984, psychologist Benjamin Bloom made a fascinating discovery. He compared students in a normal classroom to students who had a personal tutor. The result: a student with one-on-one tutoring performed 2 full grade levels higher than the rest. That means the average students become an above average students, and the struggle students, they become excellent. So here the big question: why don't we just give every child a personal tutor? The obvious answer is we cannot. There are not enough teachers, money, or resource to do that for billions of students around the world. And this is the exact problem AI could save. The promise of AI in education: imagine if every student had a tutor sitting right beside them, patient, encouraging, and available 24 hours. That's what Salkan and his team at Khan Academy are building with their AI tutor called Kanmigo. Now some of you might be thinking, great, another app that give me answer. But here the key difference is does not give answer. Instead, it asks question like, what do you think the next step is? What do you think that? Can you explain your reasoning? It's not students who think critically, not just copy. It behave like a thoughtful tutor guarding the process rather than finishing the work. And it is not just for students. AI can also be a teacher's assistant. Think about a classroom, a teacher with 13 or 14 students, each struggling in different ways. It's possible for the teacher to give up, to give deep personal attention to all of them, but AI can help track which each student is stuck, highlight patterns, and free the teacher to do the things only human can do: inspiring, mentoring, building confidence, and connecting with students. In other words, AI does not replace teachers, it empowers them. Now, let's be honest, there are risks. If AI is misused, students might just use it to cheat or skip their learning process. That's why we need guardrails like monitoring, transparency, and clear rules. But students have always had access to shortcuts, calculators, answer keys, even Google. The real solution is not to block tools. The solution is to teach students how to use them wisely. So, imagine this with me for a moment. A child in a remote village who never had access to a qualified math teacher now has an AI tutor guiding them. A struggle student who always fell behind now has the confidence to keep up. A teacher, instead of drowning in grading and paperwork, spend more time actually mentoring and inspiring their students. This is not science fiction, it is already happening. So when people say AI will destroy education, I invite you to think differently. AI does not have to replace human connection, it can enhance it. AI does not have to make students lazy, it can make them curious, thoughtful, and independent learners. And AI does not have to divide education between the privileged and the poor. It could actually make education more fair, more personal, and more powerful than ever before. The future of education is not about machine taking over classroom. It's about human and AI working together so that every student everywhere has the chance to reach their full potential. I think that's all from me for this topic. Thank you for watching. Bye.